The Logitech MX Anywhere 3S is a compact, high-performance wireless mouse designed for professionals and users who require portability without compromising functionality. Building upon its predecessor, the MX Anywhere 3, this iteration introduces several enhancements, including quieter clicks and an upgraded sensor. Design and build. Maintaining a sleek and minimalist aesthetic, the MX Anywhere 3S is available in graphite, pale gray, and rose finishes. Its compact dimensions, 100.5 by 65 by 34.4 mm, and lightweight build, 95 grams, make it highly portable, fitting comfortably into laptop bags and suitable for use in various environments, from office desks to tight spaces like airline tray tables. Performance and features. Sensor and tracking. The mouse is equipped with an 8000 dpi sensor, offering precise tracking on virtually any surface, including glass. This high-resolution sensor ensures smooth and accurate cursor movements, enhancing productivity across different tasks. Quiet clicks. One of the notable improvements in the 3S model is the implementation of quiet click buttons, reducing noise significantly compared to previous models. This feature is particularly beneficial in shared or quiet workspaces, minimizing distractions. Scroll wheel. The MX Anywhere 3S features Logitech's MagSpeed electromagnetic scroll wheel, allowing users to switch seamlessly between precise line-by-line scrolling and faster free-spinning modes. This versatility enhances navigation through lengthy documents and web pages efficiently. Connectivity and battery life. The MX Anywhere 3S offers dual connectivity options, Bluetooth and compatibility with Logitech's Logi Bolt USB receiver, sold separately. It supports multi-device pairing, allowing users to switch seamlessly between up to 3 devices. The mouse boasts impressive battery life, lasting up to 70 days on a full charge, and features a USB-C port for quick recharging. Overall, the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S excels as a portable, feature-rich mouse suitable for professionals and users seeking a balance between mobility and functionality. Its enhancements, such as quieter clicks and an improved sensor, make it a compelling choice for new users, though those already using the MX Anywhere may find the upgrades incremental. Thank you so much.